As someone deeply immersed in the world of accounting management software, I understand that choosing the right platform is just the beginning. Having reliable support and clear communication channels with your software provider is paramount for a smooth and efficient experience. If you're a current or prospective kashoo user wondering how to get in touch with their team, you've come to the right place. Let's explore the various avenues available to connect with the folks at kashoo. Kashoo has built a reputation for being a user-friendly cloud accounting solution tailored for small businesses. Their commitment extends beyond just the software itself. They also strive to provide accessible and helpful support. Whether you have a burning question about a specific feature, need technical assistance, or are simply curious to learn more, knowing how to reach out is the first crucial step. Exploring the primary support channels. Kashoo offers several ways for you to connect with their team, each designed to address different needs and preferences. Let's delve into the most common and effective methods. 1. The Comprehensive Help Center. Often the first port of call for any query, Kashoo's Help Center is a treasure trove of information. Think of it as your self-service knowledge base, available 24/7. Here, you'll find a vast library of articles, guides, and tutorials covering a wide range of topics, from initial setup and navigating the dashboard to managing invoices, expenses, and reports. What you'll find: detailed step-by-step instructions, frequently asked questions, FAQs, video tutorials, and troubleshooting guides. When to use it. Before reaching out directly, it's always a good idea to check the Help Center. You might find the answer to your question readily available, saving you time and effort. It's particularly useful for understanding specific features, resolving common issues, or learning best practices for using the software. How to access it. You can usually find a direct link to the Help Center on the Kashoo website, often in the Support or Resources section. Once there, you can browse by category or use the search bar to find specific information. 2. Direct email support. For inquiries that require more specific attention, or if you haven't found the answer in the Help Center, reaching out via email is a reliable option. This method allows you to articulate your issue in detail and provides a written record of your communication. What to expect. When you email Kashoo support, you can expect a response from a knowledgeable team member who will aim to understand your query and provide a helpful solution. Response times may vary depending on the volume of inquiries, but they generally strive to get back to you promptly. When to use it. Email support is suitable for non-urgent issues, detailed questions, or when you need to provide specific account information or attachments. How to find the email address. The specific support email address is usually listed on the Contact Us or Support page of the Kashoo website. Make sure to clearly state your issue and provide relevant details like your account information, if you're a current user, and any steps you've already taken. 3. Engaging through social media. In today's digital age, social media platforms can also serve as a channel for reaching out to companies. While not always the primary support method for complex issues, Kashoo often maintains an active presence on platforms like Twitter and Facebook. What to expect. You might be able to get quick responses to general inquiries or be directed to the appropriate support channel. Social media can also be a good way to stay updated on announcements, new features, and community discussions. When to use it. Social media is best for quick questions, general feedback, or staying informed. For more sensitive or detailed support requests, it's generally recommended to use email or the Help Center. How to connect. Look for Kashoo's official profiles on platforms like Twitter, @KashooOnline, and Facebook. Search for Kashoo. You can send them a direct message or tag them in a post. Tips for effective communication. To ensure your interactions with the Kashoo team are as smooth and efficient as possible, consider these helpful tips. Be clear and concise. When describing your issue, provide as much detail as necessary, but try to be clear and to the point. This helps the support team understand your problem quickly. Include relevant information. If you're a current user, include your account details. If you're experiencing an error, provide screenshots or specific steps to reproduce the issue. Check the Help Center first. As mentioned earlier, this can often save you time and provide immediate answers to common questions. Be patient and respectful. Remember that the support team is there to help you. Be patient and courteous in your communication. Follow up if needed. If you haven't received a response within a reasonable time frame, especially for email, don't hesitate to follow up politely. Beyond the basics, other potential avenues. While the Help Center, email, and social media are the primary ways to connect, Kashoo might also offer other resources, webinars and training sessions. Keep an eye out for any webinars or training sessions they might offer. These can be excellent opportunities to learn more about the software and ask questions in real time. Community forums. Some software providers host community forums where users can interact with each other and sometimes with the support team. Check if Kashoo has such a forum. Phone support, potentially, while not always the primary method for cloud-based software. Some companies offer phone support for critical issues. Check the Contact Us page to see if this is an option. Choosing the right channel. The best way to reach out to Kashoo depends on the nature and urgency of your query. For immediate answers to common questions or to learn about specific features, start with the Help Center. For detailed inquiries, account-specific issues, or when you need a written record, use email support. For quick, general questions or to stay updated, consider reaching out via social media. By understanding the different ways to connect with the Kashoo team and following the tips for effective communication, you can ensure a positive and productive support experience. Remember, a responsive and helpful support system is a crucial aspect of any successful accounting software partnership, and Kashoo strives to provide just that. So, whether you're a longtime user or just exploring their platform, rest assured that reaching out to their team is a straightforward process.